Ava, what are you doing? Avie, what are you doing, baby? Good thing I brought extra clothes. Baby, you're all dirty. Ava, what are you doing? Are you getting dirty? Ava, love. Uh-oh. Princess, you splashed Mommy with that mud. Oh, no. Oh, no. Are you all dirty? Oh, no. Oh, now, oh, coming to Mom.